So today I had something cool that, well, I think it's cool that I wanted to share that happened over the weekend that will probably be a reoccurring theme in several videos in the future. But it's out on the patio, so let's go out to my patio. It's kind of messy. Here's the first part. This is 30 inches long. This one is 7 feet long. Little guy is about 3 feet. And this is the mother load. This one here is just over 5 feet long to give you a sense of scale. So that one's probably closer to 8. I think this was about 5 or 6 feet. This one's about 5 feet. And this one here is another 5 or 6 feet. It's all walnut from my brother-in-law's house. There was a tree in their front yard that had started to die, so they went ahead and cut it down. There's more though. Over here we have one that they've already slabbed up. These are 6 feet long and 10-quarter thick widths going from 18 inches to almost, I think it was 26 or something. This is all walnut, all from the same tree. And this actually isn't all of it. There's one more section they're gonna try to slab up before they bring it over. And it's actually even bigger than, this guy here. And this one is 27 inches at its widest point. This is actually a branch from the section that they haven't brought over yet. Anyway, over the next several weeks and couple of months probably, I'll get this all slabbed and debarked, let it dry for a while. Some of this I think is already fairly dry. I need to get a moisture meter to double check, but part of the tree started to die a couple years ago. We do have some checking, but I did get some anchor seal on there. These ones still need some anchor seal. I ran out working on those bigger logs. Amazon should have some more here in 2 days, and then I'll get those done. Anyway, I thought that was really cool. The tree had to come down, and they knew I'm into woodworking. So they brought it over. They asked that I make some chopsticks out of some of this, and probably a coffee table or a dining room table in exchange, which I thought was more than fair. I'm totally getting the good end of this deal. And one thing that's cool about it, the house that it comes from is actually the house that my wife grew up in. So there's some long family ties to this tree. So we'll make something for our house, probably gonna make some sort of a bench or a hall table or something for my father-in-law for their house. I don't know, I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's a lot of really pretty wood. Ever since the first time I saw that tree, I was hoping that someday I would get to harvest it, and here we are 15 years later, and I have it on my patio. So now it's just a matter of checking the moisture, seeing where we're actually at, how soon some of this can be used. I am gonna bust out, I made a router sled years ago when I built my Rubo that I haven't used, and that sled hasn't even been pulled out of the sawdust in probably 10 years, so I need to pull that out, and I'm gonna try to flatten one of these just to get a better idea of the actual color and grain of the wood. Anyway, I thought that was sweet and wanted to share the news because, you know, sometimes people are looking for slabs and they're really expensive and they can't find what they're after. And I just got about 1,000 board feet, actually a little bit more than that, probably about 1,100 board feet for free. Well, it's going to be in trade, but still, the trade part's going to be fun too. Anyway, this will probably be a long-running series, just going over what I end up doing with this tree. And as there are updates and I get things made and I get through different processes, I'll post updates to just kind of show the journey this tree will take here at my house. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hopefully some of this stuff turns out cool, and we'll see you next time.